If you live for something, you're not alone, my friend. So fill up your cup and lift your lighter, a toast to life.
Lou, they say what don't kill me can make me stronger. So 2 drinks a night should help me live longer. I blow some smoke just to give my lungs a test. Cause why tiptoe through life to arrive safely at death? I'm on a journey, yeah, I'm on a roll. Sometimes gotta close my eyes just to open my soul. And tonight is the night I got a feeling that I'm about to act a fool. So if you go fix some drinks, me and Ursula about to break some rules.
Got some red and gold, but the world is moving slow. I was born for the fast life. I go for broke, a lesson I can't afford, but for what it's worth, I'm ready to pay for the rest of my life. For the rest of my life.
I'm dead. What the hell is a life worth living if it's not on the edge? Trying to keep my balance, I'm twisted, so just in case I fall. Written on my tombstone should say women, weed, and alcohol.
Got some red and gold, but the world is moving slow. I was born for the fast life. I go for broke, a lesson I can't afford, but for what it's worth, I'm ready to pay it for the rest of my life. So fill up your cup, lift your lighters, a toast to life.
Yeah, I'm stuck in this moment, freeze the hands of time, cause I feel inner peace when I'm out of my mind. And you can call me crazy, but I like to roll the dice, so I'm willing to bet that I'ma be crazy for the rest of my life.
Razor